Hey friends, we're going to make bird of paradise out of napkins. A bird of paradise is a plant found in Hawaii, a really cool flower, and I learned how to make this fun little napkin. You can use this as a place setting, put it on your plate or next to your plate. And you can use this with just a napkin, just a cheap napkin you find at the store. And they're a lot of fun to make. Okay, so here's just our cheap little napkin. You can see that we've got the creased side over here and our open edges over here. And so there's going to be 4 separate little corners right here, or edges. And that's important when you're folding your Bird of Paradise napkin, because you want those to be in the right place. So we're going to fold this up like this. And you think napkins are square, but they're a little bit off, but that's okay. So I'm just going to kind of fold it into a triangle, and you can see it's not exact, but that's okay. All right, and again, those edges are open and they're right there, okay? Now, imagine there is a line going down the middle, or you can even kind of draw one in, draw a little crease, and you're going to fold it in on itself, fold that napkin in on itself, and then give it a crease right there. So it looks like that. And now we're going to do the same to the other side. Just like that. Looks like a little bit like a rocket ship right now. And you don't need to worry about it being perfect. That's the simplicity and the beauty of this little project. Okay, so it looks like that. And now these little edges here, we're going to fold under. Basically just flip them under like that. And like that. And see, I didn't even have to fold it over, or turn it over, but that's what it looks like if you were to turn it over. All right, now we're going to fold it in half, like a mountain fold, like this. Right down the center there, like that. And now we're almost done. All we have to do is pull up the center of the flower, or the napkin, I guess. And we'll have our 1, 2, 3, and 4 little stems coming out of our flower. I don't know if stem is the right word. And that is how you make a Bird of Paradise napkin.